Alright, this is 4.1, probability rules. We will be referencing this a lot, continually throughout the class. This is very important stuff, but it's kind of background noise to what we're really doing. Although a lot of the tricks that the book throws at you involves these 4 rules. So, the first rule is pretty straightforward. The probability of any event happening is going to lie in between inclusively of 0 and 1. Alright? So either an event won't happen, 0. An event will happen 100% of the time, that's 1. And it can take on any value in between and including those. That's rule 1. Rule 2. If you look at the entirety of your probability event and you add up, that's what this symbol is, the capital sigma, the capital Greek letter sigma. If you sum all of the events, it has to equal 1. If it doesn't equal 1, you miss something. That's it. Alright, the 2 other rules are really included in part 1, but they think it's so important they want to specify it. If an event will happen, its likelihood is 1. Right? If you drop something out of a window and you know it's going to fall, the likelihood of it falling is 1, 100%. If you know something will not happen, then the probability of that event is 0. That's it. These 4 rules govern the basics of probability. And a lot of times, the tricks in the book involve breaking one of these rules or referencing one of these rules. So just get used to it. The likelihood of any one given event will lie in between 1 and 0, between 100% and 0%. Adding up all the events for whatever your probability model is, summing it, right, adding them all up, has to equal 1. If it's more than 1, there's a mistake. If it's less than 1, there's a mistake. It must equal 1. Alright, if an event will happen, probability is equal to 1. If an event won't happen, probability is equal to 0.